In this video, I'll detail how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung. So if you are typing while using your Samsung and you keep hearing the keyboard sound like this, or the keyboard is vibrating, then this video is going to show you how you can easily turn off or disable the keyboard sound on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And this is going to work across all the device applications. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn off keyboard sound on your device, all you just need to do is open your Samsung phone settings. Now, on the settings page, scroll down and click on notifications. Then, under notifications, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Now, once you select sound and vibration, you have access to your Samsung phone sound and vibration settings. Then, come to system sound and click on that. Now, once you selected that, locate sound here and locate Samsung keyboard. Come here and disable this. Once disable that, just hit the power button. Now, when next you type in on your Samsung Galaxy device, like this, you will discover that the Samsung keyboard sound is no longer working. So that has been disabled or turned off. So that is basically how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.